our standard room tour at Universal's Aventura Hotel. This room has 2 queen beds and can sleep up to 4 guests very comfortably. A really cool feature this room offers is the separation of the entrance, bathroom, and sleeping spaces. The vanity is separate from the toilet and shower, which we very much enjoy. You are provided with plenty of rags, towels, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. The shower head is nice and tall, and the shower control is on the opposite side to make things so much easier. There was even a foot prop perfect for shaving. Under the vanity, you will find extra toilet paper, plastic cups, and a blow dryer. The entryway is really nice and even has a full-length mirror. In the closet, you will find a safe, ironing board, extra hangers, and even an extra blanket. You will also see there is a nice space next to the door that fits our cooler perfectly. But you have not seen our favorite part yet. Yes, it is this view. This room also offers a desk attached to a very long dresser that is perfect for storing all the things we tend to bring on vacation. The fridge is also hidden inside the dresser. There's plenty of outlets, and of course, a coffee maker. Honestly, this view is what made this room perfect. But there is one last thing that you have to see before we are finished with this room tour. It goes along with the sleek and modern feel that this hotel offers.
Alright everybody, so along with this hotel, each room has one of these multifunctional tablets that controls your room. So as you can see here, it's got Samantha's name, the room number that we are in, the time. Also, you can hit room control. You can set your temperature of how hot or cool you want it in here, medium, low, or high. Of course, we want ours as low as we can get it and as high as we can get it. You can also mess with your lights, turn them off and on. I guess you can adjust the brightness and all that stuff. You may be able to actually set a timer, yeah. You can also control your television with this. Television brings up all your stations.
And it turned the TV on.
And it turned the TV on. But if you just want to turn it off, just the power button there. You can go to dining, resort dining, which will show you what's here at this hotel as well as what's at Universal. And then you can go to food and beverage, which right now the only thing that's open that I'm aware of is this thing, and then you can just select the stuff you want. If you need, let's say, more towels or soap or anything, you can hit request items and request it. You can actually set your alarm. You can do car rental, you can do all kinds of stuff. Then you've got your internet, you've actually got a Bible, you can check the weather, or if you have a question, you just hit the chat button, type a question in and somebody get with you, and then your bill and checkout right there. So this thing right here is pretty cool. I've never played around with one of these, so I was really excited when I saw it when we came in. And Samantha had told me about it and she knew I would be excited. Let's just check the theme park hours. There you go, August 20th. There's your hours. You can just check all the stuff you need to on Universal's website. So this thing's pretty cool. I really love the television function of it. Just being able to select what you want, change the volume, mute it if you want to. It's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the Room multifunctional tablet.
We told our friends Amanda and Mike from the Highland Adventures, that's who we're meeting tonight. We told them that we were going to be over here. Now we're all about to go get food at the Liberty Tree Tavern because it is 2 minutes before our reservation.